Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Coral and algae have a complex bond that we can solve quickly by looking at how they both benefit from their unique marine partnership. First, we must identify the type of relationship where both species benefit, which is called mutualism. This means both the coral and the algae are helping each other survive and thrive. Next, we see that the algae perform photosynthesis to create sugars. These sugars serve as a vital food source for the coral, which is a clear benefit for the animal host. Finally, the coral provides safe shelter for the algae. This exchange of food and protection makes option C the perfect choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when reading. Trust the given data and check your steps.